The Find Me printers have already been installed on your laptop. However, you might need to find additional printers to install. Here is how you do that. Printers are found using school codes. Each school code can be found on the front sticker of your laptop screen, right before the dash. To begin to install a specific printer, open the Windows File Explorer icon, which is the yellow folder on the taskbar. Click on the Quick Access bar. Start typing in the white space //hue or your specific code -svwn -ps01 /. The first part, hue, will be different for each school. That is the only part that is changed. Once you have entered the address, press enter. All printers will populate. Simply double-click on your desired printer, and then a box will populate that says connecting to whichever printer you requested, and you can let that finish. To confirm the printer is there, open a document and select Print.